Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to verify age on Character.AI. Alright, so let's begin. The process is very simple and you can do it either through the mobile app or directly from your browser because both methods work almost the same. First, open Character.AI and go to the main dashboard. Once the homepage opens, look toward the corner of the screen and open your profile section. After entering your profile page, you'll see several different options available there. From those options, tap on the settings menu. Inside the settings page, scroll a little until you find the advanced section. If you are using a browser, the layout may look slightly different, but the option will still be there. Open the advanced settings and you'll notice the very first option called Verify Age. Tap on it to continue. After that, wait for a few seconds while the verification page loads. Once it opens, scroll down and press the Begin Verification button. The platform will then ask you to take a clear photo of yourself. After completing that step, you'll also need to capture a photo of your ID card or identification document for confirmation. When both steps are completed successfully, your age verification process will be finished and your Character.AI account will be verified without any problem. And that's it. This is how you can verify age on Character.AI. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.